It's your boy Codehova from Combinator. We're pimping Swift. We're going to be talking about the last collection type in the Swift language, which is sets, which are sets. So what do we have here? We have hover. Do you know what this is? Open bracket, closing bracket with numbers inside. That is an int. An array of ints, right? So as you see here, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 4, 20, and 4, 5, 6. We have 4, 5, 6 twice. What if you wanted to have some sort of collection where you make sure that you never have duplicate values? That's when you would use a set. So if we wanted to create a set, what we do is lucky set, and it's going to be, and we're going to declare that this is a set or a set of ints. Okay. And then this is going to be 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 4, 20, and 4, 5, 6. As you see, 4, 5, 6 is only in this collection once, because if any duplicate is found, it's going to be ignored. Okay. So that's the difference of arrays and sets. And another thing that's different with arrays and sets is that sets are unordered. When you declare lucky numbers in this order, as you see in the value console, it's exactly the same. But we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 4, 20, but it's 4, 5, 6, and then 4, 20. So sets are not ordered. So that could be a problem. But anyways, you would only use a set when you want to make sure that you don't have duplicates. So how do we add values to a set? Well, let's change this into a var so we're able to alter this lucky set. So let's say lucky set dot append. No, you see, you append on arrays. The way you add values to sets is you insert them. So insert, and then you see this right here and this right here, they're the same thing. But let's just add in an int, and let's just make this 212 for Brooklyn. Well, not Brooklyn, Manhattan. All right. So it's going to tell you in the value console that it inserted 212, and that inserted was true. So if we look at the lucky set, we're going to see that 212 has been added. But if we do lucky set dot insert 212 one more time, it's going to say false because 212 already exists. So it's going to tell you it's a false. It did not get added. So how do we remove a value? So what we could do is, let me go down a little bit. So lucky set dot remove, and we're going to remove 212. All right, it's returning back that value. So let's type out lucky set one more time. And there you go. We don't have 212 existing inside any longer. And we're going to come back to sets after we learn about how to iterate over collection values. But just know that sets are unordered. They will not have duplicates. And it's really up to you to decide on when you're going to use a set over an array. You have to have a good reason to. All right. So those are collections. We went through arrays, we went through dictionaries, and we also went through sets. All right. We moving along, and if you come thus far, you only got so much left to go, man. You're gonna be pimping Swift before no time. It's your boy Codehova. Let's get it.